Yeah, BJO, check me out. Yeah. All my life I've dreamed to have that one fine broad, slick with the cash, slick with the law in this world. At least have 3 kids, at least one little boy, one little girl. I'm a rapper slash hustler with this highlight played out like a Jerry curl. I got that dope, I know you feel me dope. Here we go with the flow. Can you see me dope? Picture me rolling, smoking dro, fuck a hoe. Baby, you know I can get that cash flow, so make them titties bounce while I slap that ass slow. I cook up rap like crack in the fire hoe. I got that cool ride flow, you got that ass, you red in the fire so. Fuck the feds, I ride from my side till I die slow. Fuck the 5-4, I'm smoking on the block and the 5-dro. I put one in the air for the essays, bloods, Crips and the pyros. It's some West Coast shit, it ain't my roads. MLK said, we living in the white man's world, so I'ma just ride through. Malcolm X was a high road, Dubisio Vasquez was a California goon. While they teach us history when knowledge is always clues. And they chillin', doing the same thing, blazing in Cancun. Yeah, Mexico, I gotta do what I gotta do just for you. And my mama, and my papa, and my grandma, grandpa, Dios, primos, and my primas too. Can you see how I see this money, dude? Applying to me and you. And God I trust, but why evils and every dollar's rude? I see them haters, but I see right past you. I see no evil, hear no evil, and speak no evil too. If you can go back in time, if I can go back in time, I would've changed shit. I got what I wanted to do. Got weed, got bitches on my dick, and I spit for the hoes in my right side too. I fire off with that flow. I'm trapping fuck bitches, fuck hoes. Hat to the back, smoking dope. I'm by my dough, like Escobar, Pablo for the blow. Since they told me knowledge is power, then to me money became for the cowards. Ain't nothing sweet but a swisher when these folks and hoes acting sour. I'd rather be selling flowers than being in the pen sharing showers. I hit that weed to get a better high. Oh, fly paranoid, cause the shit ain't nice. Always looking and working behind my mind, looking over my shoulders twice. I spit, express my stress. Blessed on the mic, I got a blunt rolled up, sprinkled with that wine.